Yes, I'm leaving Mixer. I haven't been very successful on Mixer. About 10, 11 followers I think I had before leaving, and decided to leave. Here's why this is important. Other of you people trying to get into live streaming. So about the bad stuff, Mixer right now, it's pretty hard to get discovered on Mixer because the average Mixer profile have around 3.1 viewers per channel. That's very few people compared to other streaming services like Twitch, which is the biggest one right now. They have around 22, 23 average viewer per channel. Even though Mixer is a really small platform, it doesn't make it easier for you to grow. And so my thought process was, when I was starting streaming on Mixer, I thought Mixer had a great potential, right? It's this small new streaming platform with not many streaming right now, and it's building up the hype. Microsoft also invested a lot in big streamers, some of the biggest one being Ninja and Shroud. And so I thought, well, if the big gun's gonna be placed on the new Mixer streaming, right? There's gotta be more people coming through there. It's gonna blow up. So I thought, but oh boy, was I wrong! In Mixer, throughout my streaming, there's been little to no updates. There wasn't any quality of life updates making it more appealing for viewers to be going there and watching streams on the Mixer platform, right? And so also I came across this article, sort of like a picture, showing that Mixer has stopped growing entirely. Our watch from January 2019 to January 2020. We got about 100,000 hours more about. It's a very small increase nonetheless. And for a small platform who has a ceiling that can be indefinitely increased, not increasing at all, that's a really bad sign for Mixer. But I'm not saying I'm leaving Mixer to join Twitch. I have another plan. I'm gonna start streaming on YouTube. What? YouTube? But you just said there's most viewers per channel on Twitch. So why wouldn't you stream Twitch, where Twitch is the biggest streaming platform on internet right now? Well, let me tell you this. 20% of the Twitch streamers have 80% of all the viewers. So even though Twitch has most viewer per channel, all of those viewers is essentially just gonna watch the big streamers and not the small ones. The hardest thing for a new channel is being noticed, right? That's what I had the problem with most on Mixer. No one wants to watch a 0 count stream on Mixer, right? That's just, why would I watch a stream where there's around 4 people watching when I can watch these big streams that must have nice content because there's most people watching there. So I had to make content elsewhere to bring those people to my Mixer stream. That's why I started with YouTube. By streaming on YouTube, my content on YouTube is connected to my YouTube streaming. So I can have one platform for everything, for my live streams and for my videos. And that's a huge win. And I'm gonna make a video about this. I just went to YouTube and realized it is super easy to set up your YouTube stream. Nothing harder than streaming on Twitch or Mixer. But yeah guys, just a quick note to why I'm leaving Mixer and why I think new streamers should pursue other platforms like YouTube as myself. And I'm gonna put out a video for you guys who are interested in starting streaming on YouTube, how to do it, how to be more effective doing it, and how you can get more viewers by bringing out people from other platforms and from your YouTube channel. Go and watch your streams, it's so much easier. And also tips and tricks on your streaming programs, how you can make your microphone sound better, some quality of light changes that will make your viewers thank you for it. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.